Hello my beautiful people, welcome to MercyBeauty Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to take you on a shop along with me. Today is my first video shopping for this year 2023. Guys, I wanted something very nice to put on my decor for this week. So I said I'm going to Home Goods to see what they have. And guys, I can tell you they're full of things for Easter, spring, name it. You have all the colors, all the variety of things that you may need if you want to decorate your home for spring. Okay guys, I haven't come to Home Goods for at least 3 months. I never have time to come to shopping. I'm mostly shopping online. And guys, I can tell you, if you are a ginger jar lover, if you love good stuff, they have so many things. It's the time guys to come to Home Goods and buy them, because when the Easter approaching, you will not find nothing else, because they will take them all. If you are Home Good next to you, make sure to check them out guys, because they have so many great things. Okay guys, I'm not going to show you everything that I buy today. In following video, I'm going to do a super beautiful home decor. Make sure to come back to see everything that I have. As you can see guys, this beautiful ginger jar, so modern. And guys, online some places you're gonna find at $150, but here guys is only $69. Some of them are $49, $39 guys. Oh my god, so you need to check your Home Goods. Okay guys, I'm going to let you enjoy the video. Please watch the video till the end and keep on watching.
Wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh. if it takes 100,000 years to finally shine, unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine. Rough around every edge, but unbreakable. Every flaw tells a story. The rarity, the clarity, it's priceless and unlike anything they've seen. Pulled up to the surface from the dust, even if it takes 100,000 years, I'll be enough. Shine, unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine. One of a kind, a timeless design, catching your eye. Shine, unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine. Meant to shine. Meant to shine.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. But sometimes you fall, 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 sometimes you fall.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me close. closer. I wanna stay here with you. it's alright.